All right, so this week's word of the week for week number 3 is going to be encouragement. Now, how many of you have ever heard that word before? The word encouragement means the action of giving someone support or hope. So get ready to go. We're going to start our Fast 5 in just a moment. All right, so today's Fast 5 workout number 3 is going to be crisscrosses, reverse lunges, mountain climbers, as well as hill taps. So stay tuned. I'll go and demonstrate those activities and we'll get started in just a moment. All right, so here we go. Fast 5 workout number 3. Workout number 1 is going to be crisscrosses. So now, this is what I call crisscrosses. It could be like scissor kicks. It could play. It's up to you guys what you want to name it, okay? My students know it as crisscrosses. So here we go. You're just going to cross your feet. You go in front and back, or you can just stay in front. Or you can just go in behind. It's completely up to you. I like to go forward and backwards, okay? So that's crisscrosses. That's workout number 1, exercise number 1. Exercise number 2 is going to be reverse lunges. So that's pretty simple. Reverse, you place either your right foot, left foot, whatever you feel comfortable. You're gonna place it backwards, and then your left foot may go forward a little bit, and you're gonna go down and up, okay? I'd recommend maybe doing 5 or 10 of these straight, and then switch sides. So we'll do 5, then I switch, right foot comes forward, left foot goes down, and again, just drop down, all right? So that's exercise number 2. Exercise number 3, mountain climbers. Very similar to a push-up position or a push-up plank that we did a few weeks ago. In that push-up position, make sure your hands are about shoulder width apart. Get upright, okay? And you're gonna place one foot forward, and you're gonna alternate your feet. You're gonna go back and forth, okay? Like this. Now, the closer you get your knees to your chest, the better the impact of the exercise, okay? So that's mountain climbers. Last one, we got hill taps. You're gonna go on your bottom. You're gonna place your head on the floor. And what you're gonna do is get your hands and you're simply gonna tap your heel and you're gonna go side to side. All right, so that's exercise number 4 is hill taps. So go and get ready and we'll start our Fast 5 workout in just a moment. Here we go, exercise number 1. It's going to be crisscrosses. All right, so let's get ready to go. Start in 3, 2, 1, go. Let's go. And if you guys are new to the Fast 5 workouts, just a quick reminder, we're gonna do 4 exercises for 30 seconds each, a 1-minute water break, and then we're gonna repeat the same 4 exercises for another 30 seconds each. Thus leading us to a 5-minute workout. Great job, keep up. Keep working hard. You're doing fantastic. Don't quit. All right, next one up, we got reverse lunges. Again, I'm gonna do 5 and then I'm gonna switch. 4, 5, and switch. Do the best you can. I know it's hard. Woo. I actually have a falling a bit in my knee. Still working my best. The best of my abilities. If you have to go slower, that's okay. Alright, moving on. We got mountain climbers. Want to get down again. Get your knees to your chest. It's like you're running in place while in a push-up position. Alright, on the bottom, let's go. Let's go heel taps. Side to side. Great job. Keep up, we're almost done with our first round. All right, we got that 1 minute water break, bathroom break, sweat, towel break. Again, do these workouts to the best of your abilities. If you need to slow it down, that's okay. As long as your body's moving and working hard, you're going to be successful and you're going to get the results you guys want, okay? All right. One more time, Jordan. 15 seconds. Shake it off, take the legs off. Got one more round. Woo! Let's go. You're ready to go. And go. Crisscross this again. You got it. Keep working hard. You're already on your second round. You can do it. Keep going. Don't give up. Reverse lunges. And all the way to 5. Switch. Nice and easy. You're going to get better every time you do these workouts. If you have not seen Fast 5 workout number 1 and 2, I highly recommend you check those out. All right, moving on. Mountain climbers. Okay, keep going. It's okay, take breaks. Get up, keep going. All right. Last one, we're doing it. Let's go, heel taps. This is it, 30 seconds. Everything you got. And time. Congratulations, you guys just completed Fast 5 workout number 3. You guys did amazing. If you're sweating, if you're tired, if you're exhausted, great job. That means you're putting in the work. Continue working hard. If you guys, again, have not seen Fast 5 1 or 2, highly recommend you do those workouts as well, just because it only takes 5 minutes and it's a great workout. As you can see, I'm out of breath and I'm tired. But you know what? I know it's for a purpose. Keep up the good work. Until next time, take care. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today we have a fun game for you, and it is called Frogs in the Bucket. So make sure you stay tuned and don't go anywhere. So for this activity, you're only going to need 3 items. You're going to need 1 sock ball, 1 bucket, and as many plates, or if you guys have cones available. This is the setup for the game. I have my 1 bucket. You can place this anywhere you want. You're going to scatter some paper plates, or if you have some cones available, you can do that as well. And I have my sock ball. So what I'm going to focus on today is my tossing skills. So I'm going to step my opposite foot forward. I'm going to point at my target, bring my arm back in a tick-tock motion. I'm going to release and follow through and to try and make my softball inside of the bucket. Okay.
No, it's
So in this activity, I'm going to stand behind one of the paper plates. I can pick any one I feel comfortable with. Do that nice little motion of a toss. If I make it inside the bucket, I'm going to collect my softball, the plate I made it behind, and I'm going to go and I'm going to drop it off at my home station. Alright, so next, Jordan and I are going to have a 2-player challenge. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to stand behind the cone, toss it. If we make it, we're going to collect our cone, take it to our home spot. I'm going to be on the green team, Jordan's going to be on the red team. This is going to be a non-stop relay. So after I pick up my sock ball, take it back to my home station. The goal is to collect as many plates as possible. Whoever has the most plates at the end wins. You can do mathematics at the end. If you wanted to put point values on the paper plate, that is also an option. So stay tuned and we'll get to this activity. Starting in 3, 2, 1, go. Hope you enjoyed that game of Frogs in a Bucket. Please don't forget to
like, subscribe, and comment.
As a reminder, at the P.E Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.